them is my real test. To train them is my cause. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide.
Hey friends, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Oasis, and of course you're here because of the title that you read and the pictures you saw on the thumbnail. So without wasting any time, let's do the unboxing. Wow, I actually didn't take it out of the box, so I wanted to just kind of show you guys how it came. So this is how it got shipped. I'm getting this nostalgia feeling because this is a replica of a Pokeball. I mean, imagine if the Pokemons were real and we were actually using Pokeball. That would be so amazing. So let's take this out, move this to one side. Wow. So let's just have a quick look at the box. So at the top you've got Pokemon written and you've got all the Pokeballs printed across. So you can see on the left it comes with a box that the Pokeball sits in. It says electronic 14 plus. Let's look at the back. So it says Pokeball electronic replica, display grade electronic replica, metal shell with fine detail and premium painted finish, touch and proximity sensing technology, touch to illuminate display, individually numbered, batteries included. Okay, so on this side you've got the QR code and the Pokeball. Really want to get this opened up. So you got a little booklet. Put this to one side and I don't want to drop it. Okay, it's sealed sideways, so nothing else in the box. I'm so excited. Wow. Right, so you've got the Pokeball there. I don't even want to touch it. I don't want to get my fingerprints on. Oh my god. Guys, I don't even know how to explain what this feels like. It is heavy, it's made out of metal, it's got a tab here. The finishing is just amazing. There's a clickable button just here. Let me just get all this out of the way. Take the packaging off here. So in the box you get the booklet, the Pokeball, and the case to store your Pokeball. So I'm just gonna open this. Okay, so you've got instructions here. It tells you how to operate it. So you got different LEDs, 2 seconds, half a second, 10 minutes. So you can see that there's different options. It tells you how to place your Pokeball, how to replace the battery. So just a user guide on how to operate the two together. Okay, wow. So the finishing of this is a metal. Only you've got some hinges here, but it's sort of weighed down. You can feel the weight of it, and the Pokeball just sits in the middle here. And then it closes. At the top you got a picture of a Pokeball. On the front it says Pokeball. On the back you can see the hinges, and at the bottom you can see that it says Pokemon, and then you've got the actual number there. So you got this pull tab to activate it. Let's just see how it sits. And wow, just the weight of it actually just pulls it down. So the actual Pokeball doesn't open, but I believe this clickable button activates it, and then there's an LED there which illuminates. Let's just get this working, right? So it says please remove before use. Whoa, you can see it illuminate. So is this when it's catching?
I think when it's opening.
Is it when it's opening? When it's caught something, right? So it says hold for 2 seconds and let's see what happens. Oh wow, I just saw a different color. Ooh, that's when it's not caught.
It's breaking up.
Breaking up. I think I just switched it off. How cool does that look? Hey, let's do the same with this. Oh wow, it's got a LED. Oh, okay, Pokeball's in there. Okay, so right at the bottom you can see that the LEDs are swirling while the Pokeball's there. This is flashing red, so you can see the LEDs here. So you got red, green, yellow, blue, purple, light blue, and then white. And then red. And I'm touching it, it's actually going really bright red. Do you know what? Touching this and feeling this, I wish we had Pokemons in the real world. Because just imagine being able to hold this and go, Pikachu, I choose you, and just the feel of it, it's just amazing. To give you an idea, this is an actual size of a Pokeball. When Ash holds this, now we can actually feel it for real and throw it around, and wow, I really wish we had Pokemons in the real world. This would be so much fun. I think it would be absolutely crazy. There is a Master Ball as well that you can get, but unfortunately you can't get that in the UK, but as soon as it's available, I will try and pick that up. I will order that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.